Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Jenny and welcome to my channel, Adventures with Jenny. On my channel, I love sharing my different travels, adventures, rumors. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you my resort studio room tour here at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort. This is such a gorgeous room and this resort is incredible. It is a Disney Vacation Club resort, so let me go ahead and show you around to this beautiful room. Franklin and I just made it back from Epcot to the Grand Floridian. He fell asleep on the way back. I got him a donut from Joffrey's as we were leaving, heading towards the monorail. He took a couple bites and then he completely fell asleep, which is great because he really needed a nap. So we stayed just in a standard resort studio at the Grand Floridian for 2 nights. And then my mom asked when we were checking in if we would be able to stay in the extended studio, which they didn't have available for our first 2 nights, but they did the remainder of their trip. So this morning we left our bags with Bell Services and our room is now available. So let me show you around. This room is so nice. I will say that our view was a little bit better in our last room, but the extra space is so nice. It is beautiful. Let me show you around. This is the door to the room. I have my stroller parked right here because Franklin is still sleeping. And then here is a closet. I believe I have not opened it yet, so let's check it out. Oh, wow, look at all the storage. This is really nice. There's a safe. Now let's check the other side. Wow, well, that is really nice. I love how the lights come on automatic. That's just really nice. There's also a robe and a luggage rack. Okay, so let's close that. I just really love all of the details at the Grand Floridian. This is our first time staying here and I absolutely love it. Then over here we have a microwave, and then we have the Keurig, and then in this drawer right here we have our K-cups, some plates, cups, silverware if needed. And then down below here, this is the beverage cooler. Now this is not a mini refrigerator, it is a beverage cooler. So there is that. So let's close that. And then the bathroom is right over here. So let's check this out. Love all of the details. This beautiful mirror right there. We have 2 double sinks. Our towels are down here. And then if we switch over here, let me turn on a light. Over here, we have a separate space with the toilet and then the shower and tub. Then we have our 2 beds. Now I will say these beds are a lot higher than I thought that they were going to be. So definitely had to request a bed rail for my toddler in our last room, and we're gonna have to do that again. But I'm really short, my mom's really short as well, so next time if I'm staying here, I would pack a little step stool. I think that would have come in handy for staying in this room. But I just love this room. This is gorgeous. Then the light fixture up here, there are penguins. Let's see if I turn off the light if that's better. You can see penguins, such a fun feature. Okay. So then over here on this wall, we have the Mary Poppins inspired paintings, which are just beautiful. I love the color scheme. And then I want one of these for my bedroom, these little ledges. I think this is so handy. You can put your cell phone on and then charge it with all the USB cords, or like I charge my camera here. It's just a great spot. Then there's also these lights that come on for at night, or if you want to read a book in bed. Great feature. And this is such a nice feature. So this room has 2 TVs. The standard resort studio just had the 1 TV, but look at this desk area. This is beautiful. This room has so much space. And so in this box right here, we have our blow dryer, and then we have more charging areas. I feel like you can never have enough charging areas. And then lots of storage in these drawers, which are actually pretty deep. And then what I really like about these beds even though they're a little tall for me, is that you can put your suitcase right underneath. There's plenty of room for that. And then there's our TV. And then I love this little sitting area that's super cute. Lots of space. I can't get over how much space is in this room. And then in between the beds, there's a lamp, there's a phone, and then there's more storage down here. Then if we go over here, this is a little seating area. And this is the reason my mom requested this room. Like, I really would like to have a separate seating area. It'll just give us so much more space. And it really does. Look how cute this seating area is. Oh my gosh, this is perfect. You have the couch. Then you have another chair. Oh my god, and then a little table over here. Oh, I love the artwork. And then I love how the room extends. Beautiful. A coffee table. And then here is another TV. So this is a second TV, which is a nice feature. And now here is the balcony. Our view is not great. Like I said, our view is so much better in our other room, and you probably saw that in my earlier vlogs, but it's still great. We can see the Contemporary, which is over there, more of the Floridian, a little bit of the pool. This is such a great room. It was kind of a pain this morning having to get up early and pack and transfer. Like, it's kind of like doing a split stay at your own resort, but we're used to doing split stays, so it wasn't too bad. But I really love this room. If I was going to stay at a resort studio at the Grand Floridian, comparing the two rooms, I definitely would try to get this room because this just has so much more space compared to the other one. Do you like our room? Franklin just woke up.
That new TV.
Yeah, the new TV. You like the little TV area?
That was a clicker here.
A little clicker? Yeah.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Franklin and my parents are so similar. They just love to have the TV on all the time, and I feel like I'm the odd one out who doesn't. And we call the remote control the clicker. I have since I was little, and that's just because my parents call it, so that's why I heard Franklin say the clicker. But this is our room. I love it so much. So definitely request this style of room if you are coming to the Grand Floridian and you want a little bit extra space. Grandma and Grandpa are at Disney Springs. They're gonna come in a little bit. They went to the movies.
No.
Yeah. So many lamps again?
No, can I recharge?
Yep, I switched my battery.
Table.
You like the table?
I like a chair.
You like the chair?
I like this one chair.
Well, I think it's safe to say Franklin is a fan.
I like a table.
That is a nice table, isn't it?
What's that?
This couch does pull out into a bed. So that gives you some extra space.
I pull out the bed. This room's amazing. Done.
You love this room?
Yes.
You do? What's your favorite part of the room?
Parts make a bed.
The bed? You like the beds? The beds are nice, aren't they?
It's a pretty microwave up there.
The microwave's up there? Yeah, it is up there, isn't it?
How's the coffee pot?
The coffee pot? Yeah.
This one's amazing. That cover. What's in the bathroom, Mommy?
You like the bathroom?
I know.
Yeah, the bathroom is nice, isn't it?
What's on the wall there?
That's the sinks over there.
What's the same?
Yeah, with the towels.
Let's wash my face.
Yeah, wash your face there. Oh my gosh. And that is going to wrap up our room tour. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.